In this walkthrough, we'll show you how the Zendesk Contact Center brings voice, digital messaging, built-in AI, and workforce engagement into a single workspace, giving your team everything they need to deliver better resolutions on every channel. Let's get started. We're following a coffee machine retail company as they handle a customer's return request. Customer service interactions start the moment a customer dials in. But instead of frustrating phone trees, our human-like voice AI agents answer immediately. Voice AI agents can use the same dialogues and procedures across channels. This means all company knowledge, customer context, and real-time interaction data from across your service operations are used to accurately understand intent and resolve issues autonomously.
Let me help you figure this out. Just to get a better picture here, is this an espresso machine that you purchased from us, or are you looking for general troubleshooting advice?
Troubleshooting, but it's really just the espresso machine I purchased. My order number is 12345, and I'd like to talk to someone.
Perfect. I've got your order number, 12345. Let me pull up those details for you right now so I can get you connected with someone who can really help with this.
When a human expert is needed, Zendesk handles the transition flawlessly. The agent receives the call in a unified workspace with the complete customer history, intent, and interaction summary from the voice AI agent, all immediately visible. Call Console comes with additional controls that allow our agent to transfer the call, conference in available reps, place the conference on hold, or pause and resume recordings. Now, let's see how our agent handles this transition.
I can see you're calling because the espresso machine you purchased last month started leaking. I'm so sorry to hear that. And we should be able to get that fixed for you. Can you just tell me a little bit more about what's going on?
Yeah, that's right. Just yesterday it started leaking, and so I just wanted to find out whether I can get like a return or get a refund, or if I can send it in to get repaired. I really don't know.
Notice how the agent didn't have to ask for the order number again. As the agent and customer interact, Zendesk Copilot analyzes the call to detect intent and instantly surfaces relevant knowledge suggestions, equipping the agent with precise answers and next best actions. In this case, Copilot recommends that our agent helps diagnose the exact issue that's going on with their device. These types of interactions typically require a technician to be dispatched to the customer's home, or an in-person appointment for diagnostics. With our upcoming launch of video calling and screen sharing, our agent no longer has to schedule a follow-up for the customer. Instead, they can seamlessly initiate a secure video call with a single click in the same native UI.
All right, thanks for joining the call. Can you show me exactly what's going on?
Yeah, sure. So when I grind the coffee, the puck screen kind of just like doesn't really work. What ends up happening is like water starts to spurt out like out the sides of the machine, and I really don't know why. It was working perfectly fine when I first got it.
No worries. Right now, the filter you're using is for a single shot espresso.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yep, so what you're going to want to do is switch to a double-walled filter, and your problem should be fixed.
Easy enough. So it's like this one right here?
Yep, that's it. So why don't you give that a try? And in the meantime, I'll send you over a link to schedule a follow-up call. And if you still need further assistance, we'll be able to jump on then.
As soon as the call ends, Copilot drafts a summary of interaction, enriches ticket data with pre-populated tags, and automatically feeds this data into our real-time supervisor dashboards. Because the Zendesk Contact Center stack is all within one platform, the CX experience is more intelligent from end to end. This creates not only a faster experience for the customer, but a smarter and more efficient experience on the back end.